In the last lesson, we have created the model class for shopping cart items, and now in this lesson, we're going to create the model classes for orders endpoint. So inside the Postman, let's open this place order endpoint, and in order to place the order, we need to pass some JSON data, and if the request is successful, then we will get this JSON data in the response body. So first of all, let's copy this JSON and generate the C# properties from this JSON data. Now we're going to create a C# class and name it order. Right after that, just add these properties inside this class. Now back to the Postman, and in the response of this place order endpoint, we'll get this JSON data. So we will copy this JSON generate the C# properties, and right after that, create a new C# class. Name it order response. Now we're going to paste these properties inside this class. Alright, now once again, we switch to the Postman. And this order by user endpoint will return the JSON data. So we need to copy this JSON, generate the C# properties, then create a new C# class, and then we're gonna name it order by user. Then simply copy these properties and paste it here. Again, we're gonna switch back to the Postman. And this order detail endpoint will return the following kind of JSON data. So what we're gonna do is, we'll copy this JSON data, then paste it here, and simply generate the C# properties. Okay, now we'll create another class and name it order detail. And right after that, just copy these properties and paste it here. So far so good. We have completed all the model classes for orders section. Now let's go to the complaints endpoint and let's copy the JSON and generate the C# properties from the following JSON. Okay, now we will create a new C# class and we name it complaint. Then we copy the following data and paste it inside this class. That's all from this section. We have completed all the model classes, and now from the next lesson, we're going to create the API service layer inside our Xamarin Forms application. So I will see you in the next section.